Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Shonen Jump's Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Card, Konami, 5 cards in every pack, 2 pack, Legendary Duelist, Sisters of the Worlds. So, right down there. Made by Konami, Shonen Jump Yu-Gi-Oh! 5 cards in each pack, you get 2 packs in here. These are the Legendary Duelist, Sisters of the Worlds packs. And of course they're advertising, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. So if you can go YuGiOhCard.com, link that below in the description there. The video of these cards, I'll actually put a link to ToyWiz.com because I know their website is like the best website for getting prices on TCG and CCG. So, My Little Pony CCG and your TCG like Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon and Magic the Gathering, best website has the best prices. That's true and honest. I seen other pricing websites. No, it's ridiculous. It's like Super Meta Ultra Rare, limited edition, only one man in the world. It's worth 1 cent. It's autograph signed by the creator herself. 1 cent. But this one, it's like 50,000 gajillion copies that exist in the world. Let's make it 25 cents. It's like, what the F? There's only one of that card that exists in the whole entire freaking world. And you don't even put it in 1 cent. It's like, with Yu-Gi-Oh! The original, the first one, Yami Yugi, Yudimoto. Where there was once a time that 4 blue eyes white dragons existed in the whole entire Yu-Gi-Oh! World. Yu-Gi-Oh! Universe type of deal. And what the Decepticon does? He's a freaking a-hole. He just whips up and it's like, no, only I have 3 blue eyes. And like, you mother effer. You're a freaking retarded idiot. You could have 4. You could have had Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon plus a Blue Eyes White Dragon on the field. You could have had 2 freaking dragons. A Blue Eyes on the field. A Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon and a Blue Eyes White Dragon. And like, you're just stupid. Sure, you had the money, but guess what? You don't have the card. It's like, I don't care. I have money. They're like, yeah, but you also don't have a Blue Eyes White Dragon card. I mean, you already had 3. You could have had 4 and said, oh my god, I'm the only dude in the freaking world that has all 4 legendary Blue Eyes White Dragon cards in my deck. I'll play Blue Eyes White Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Blue Eyes White Dragon, and oh, guess what? A 4th Blue Eyes White Dragon. Yeah, how do you like that? No. So, yeah. You get what I'm saying? How some trading card companies, where they do the price value of the cards, they don't know what they're doing. Anyway, let's open this up and see what we get in here. I picked this up at Walmart for about $2, which is not that bad on a price. Because, what does it say? Thank you for purchasing Legendary Jewish Sisters of the World. Please complete this short survey to help Konami better service you. Okay, so there is this little QR thing here. Where it's actually hit type, /research.net /r/YGO_LED4. Yeah. But here's the cards. That's what the bats look like. It says the Yu-Gi-Oh! Card. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and open this up. So, how many cards are in here? Doesn't actually say. Huh. I know it was. Oh, the entire set contains 29 common, 10 rare, 8 super rare, and 9 ultra rare cards. So, That's how many cards is in the whole set. So let's go ahead, open it up, and see what we pulled. Besides the backing off of this. So, we here got Harpy Lady Phoenix formation. So it's our spell card. Not bad. Harpy's Queen. Winged Beast. 1900 attack, 1200 defense. Not that bad. 4-star. Cyber Angel I Data or something. I did 10. I don't know. Light attribute. Oh, this one was the wind attribute. 2, 4, 6. So it's a 6-star, 1600 attack, 2000 defense. Fairy Ritual effect. What do we need for this card? You can ritual summon this card with Machine Angel Ritual. If this card is ritual summoned, you can have one ritual spell from your deck or GY. Come on, that's just effing BS now. We used to say the graveyard. Now you can't say graveyard anymore. You gotta say the GY. It's like, what happened to GY, XYZ, LMNOP? It's like the freaking alphabet. It's like, just say the motherfucking graveyard. Because the monsters and you resurrecting them with Monster Reborn, or Monster Resurrection, and the Japanese one. Yeah. So, yeah, from your GY, graveyard, to your hand, if this card is tribute, you can make all witcher monsters you control gain 1010 defense. We have Twilight Rose Knight. Seen this card before. Dark, level 3. Warrior Tuner effect. 1000 attack, 1000 defense. And then Magnificent Machine Angel. Wait. Did we need that card? Oh my god, we just got the ritual card to ritual summon this one. So, yeah, we just pulled the card to work with this one. That is so freaking great. So, yep. Next, let's go on to the next pack here and see what we get in this one. Another Harpy Lady Phoenix formation. Ritual Sanctuary. What does this card take? You can discard one spell and one light ritual monster, or one ritual spell from your deck to your hand. From your deck to your hand. I think they mean from your deck or your hand, but it say from your deck to your hand. So you're discarding one card from your deck to your hand instead of saying take one card from your deck and add to your hand. Okay, now your cards are starting to get a little messed up here. You can shuffle any number of spells from your GY into the deck, then target one light fairy monster in your GY whose level equals the number of cards you shuffled into your deck. Special summon it. You can only use each effect of Ritual Sanctuary once per turn. Okay. Night Express Knight. It's a 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 level. Earth attribute. 3000 attack. 3000 defense. Effect monster. Machine effect. Harpy Queen. Win 4. Winged Beast effect. 1900 attack. 1200 defense. And then we have Harpy Lady Elegance. Yeah. Trap card. So, not that bad of a pull here. I think we got a better pull with the first pack, but $2 for 2 packs. That kind of equals out to $1 a pack, so yeah, I'm kind of happy with this. Wish that they brought back, more legendary duelist packs in this formation, like this. It'd be really great. So if you just want, like, Yami Yugi's pack, Soto Kyber, Maximilian Pegasus, Mary Westwaffer, Weevil Underwood. We already got the Mind Valentine. If you want to get the Joy Weir Pat, maybe a Tara Gardner, Tristan Truesdale, uh, Bacora's Pat, something like that. That'd be nice to have. Or if they made it where it kind of worked with like the new Yu-Gi-Oh game. You don't have that card in the game, but you have the real life card. Punching the number on the real life card, it goes into the game. They did it once before for one of the Yu-Gi-Oh games on the Game Boy, and I think they also did it for like the SD or something like that. Now, what would be really awesome if they could have some kind of chip in these cards, like maybe down here, that you can actually put them on a dual disc and it'll read out the card's fact or ability, and why not get like some holographic things on there? Put like a little data chip on there. I mean, that would be pretty boss mode, That you can actually have like real life dual. Maybe if it didn't have the holographic thing, it just still had, a card reader on the dual disc. I mean, look, there's Gamma Y cards that Conway Decay and Deanne use in Conway Decay series in their deck gate drivers, where it will read the cards and say, Decay, or Deanne, or Final Attack flag form, or Final Form, If you watch Conway and you're a fan of, Conway Decay series, you know what I'm talking about, where it kind of does that little stutter thing, but that's just, it kind of spit out the cards and made the copies of itself and stuff. But yeah, it would be really nice, and that's what we need. I heard talk that we got a brand new dual disc, kind of pricey, and doesn't really do much. It'd be nice if the new dual disc had, maybe a hologram on there, definitely a card reader,